Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add chapters to your video recordings and meetings saved in your video library on Loom. So let us get started. So guys, for this method, navigate to your video library on Loom, click into videos here, browse through a list of video recordings or meetings, and click into the given one to access the given video through the video editor. Here guys, what you want to do is, let me just switch back to the edit tab here. What you want to do is scroll down, and below the given video's preview, you will see the reaction and comment bar here, but also add chapters. So start by clicking into the first chapter, enter the timestamp, like, I don't know, the video starts at 0.00, and then you may add, like following this example here, you can name the first chapter introduction, press enter to skip to the next line, and then go, I don't know, with 1 minute 15. Oh, there's a double dot, of course, and then I don't know, chapter 1 or something like that, and so on and so forth. Don't forget to click into save here, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.